Good afternoon. My name is Rebecca. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Kyros.ai. Imagine you're at a dinner table with your teenager son or daughter, and you say, honey, which college or major would you like to go? How about a career? And typically, the answer is very vague. How about UCLA? I heard there's nice beach, right? Or how about a college very close to our home? To most of the students, this is where their understanding of future options ends. And for many of them, they don't know there are millions of options ahead of them. 47, 48 colleges with thousands of major and programs around. So it's an infinite amount of choices they have to make. And that is a tall order. And for parents, sometimes you don't have time, or you don't have expertise, or the patience. And if you're looking for school counselors, the ratio is 1 counselor to 500 students. Alternatively, you can look for a private counselor, $20,000 to $120,000 to hire a private counselor. So the stake is very high, especially post-COVID and global competition. And then AI arrived. And most of the students are not prepared for the future uncertainty. And the problem is that it's not you are unemployed, it's that you are unemployable. When I was growing up with a family full of doctors and professors, my path seems to be determined. You're going to be a doctor, so you can take care of us when we are older. And one day I went to the hospital my mom was working at. I saw a lot of blood. I fainted. Indeed, I became an engineer. And I stopped right before I get into my PhD, start working at Oracle and Google. And I discovered my passion to be taking the technology to the market. But that path was full of try and error, and a maze I had to navigate alone. So I truly believe that everyone can benefit from a good counselor, a good career coach that's warm, competent, ideally not your parents, and affordable. So that's why we built this solution using AI to give you a personal navigation system and all the educators and along with AI agents to guide you, support you at every step. And the result speaks for itself. So far, we've supported 7,000 students and showing 5 times improved admission rates. So this cannot be achieved without technology. And we build the world's largest knowledge base and all the AI agents collaborating with the best educators. And of course, this is an amazing team. I worked with my co-founder, CTO for decades at Google. And we have alumni who worked at EA as an Eng director. They are way smarter, all PhD graduate in computer science, decades of experience. We also decide to partner with the best educators in the country, coming from the high ed side, professors, deans, and admissions officers from Princeton Review, McGraw-Hill, etc. So I wanted to show you a quick screenshot what the journey is like for our students or lifelong learners. You're starting at point A, we're gonna give you assessment and then recommend the destination of point 3. Here, you can either go to college, major, or career. And in the middle, this is the intelligence. We're gonna give you a logical GPS and define the milestones and tasks. Now keep in mind, all the blue blocks are the external environment and interacting with you as a user. The underlying technology is that a user is a high spatial space. You could store it in vector database, or you could potentially store elsewhere to be smarter. But there are 5 layers to this intelligence platform. The bottom function is really defining all these vector database structure. On top inference modeling, and defining the causal relationship, how a user interact with the external environment forces. Then on top, you build AI capabilities. And on top of that, you build AI agents with orchestration, calling different capabilities at different circumstances or in the context. Of course, on the top, it's just UI, UX, and the AI coming together to give you the user experience. So a few more of these screenshots. This is actually used by thousands of users now. And you can see AI agents can break down a task into a reasoning engine. And we can also measure their progress. And of course, you have a chatbot, infinite different combinations of answers. Now, the gentleman earlier mentioned that the power comes from not just the universal language deriving from LLM, but also you have proprietary data, the historical context, it's a time series, and along with the proprietary educational institution data. Now, of course, when we are developing this, this is not a frozen in time. It is constantly moving as our students are moving, as the world is moving forward. So we have 1,500 educators, professors, deans, or counselors, and as they deliver real-time webinars programs, we incorporate that knowledge to do reinforced learning. And together, we can build this platform to be smarter. Now, today, we have 7,000 users, 1,500 educators, and lots of the entrepreneur-spirited marketing and sales agents joining us. And as we seek your support, we have a chance to change and to redefine the future workforce. And as we build this AI platform, we'll make this accessible, personalized, and affordable to our next generation. Thank you very much.
All right.